This is a review of the RYOBI 18 volts cordless LED flashlight that I would highly recommend. What I want to start off by saying about this flashlight is that it is extremely lightweight when I'm holding it. It's very durable. There's not a whole ton of weight on it. It's a small compact size. And what I love about it is that it also adjusts as well too. So if I'm moving it like this, you can have it this way up here. You could pretty much move it around like there, maneuver it to pretty much right here. You can have it facing down or forward, however your preferences. And when I turn it on, it is extremely bright as well too. The LED flashlight, it goes all the way like pretty much like 15 feet away, and it's, you know, extremely bright. That's what I love about the RYOBI flashlight. And so when I, for example, if I click the on button, when I press the on button, you're gonna see how bright it is. So you can see over here that it is extremely bright. Like, you know, me putting it on the table, you can see that how bright this is. And it's extremely bright, like you can see here. Like when I'm facing it onto the camera, very extremely bright. I would definitely recommend the RYOBI 18 volt cordless flashlight. If you're looking for, you know, a flashlight that's extremely bright, then this is probably one of the best accessories to have for your flashlights from RYOBI, and I absolutely love it.